Okay, so we're here at Knoebles, and we're gonna be. I gotta get my tickets. He's my fiance. We're gonna be recording some of our adventures here and posting videos about them. So yay! First ride we're going on is the Haunted Mansion. Yay! Which side do you want to sit on? I'll sit on that side. That side? Okay.
Scared.
So then you have to get in first. Fart. Take my bag off.
Oh wait, I should probably take my bag.
I was gonna say, you should probably take that. Okay. Woo! Here we go. You used to go in there.
They decided not to.
And then like you just do like a loop, and then there was this weird like witch-looking thing and chainsaw noise, and then you just come out here.
Yes. I love the bus noise. You know it's so loud.
Into the thick of it.
Into the thick of it.
Don't touch whatever it said.
Touch.
Bookshelf.
Screaming at everyone.
Hold my hand. Yo, we got some poison. Yo, can I have some? Exit.
Dude,
Whoa! You're upside down on the ceiling. I will fight you! Oh, what? Why is it clicking? Why is it clicking?
The other guests are excited.
I've been on this before. Why am I screaming? Ah! Where are we going? Ah!
where are we going?
There's one really cool room. Oh, we're getting to the cool room.
Yeah! Dude, I love the trip so much. It's not even scary.
Seizure warning.
Dude, that's getting shit. No! I refuse to die!
Oh,
I'm not dying today. Oh, the bus is coming! Ah! I don't want to go to school!
Woo! Look at the floor.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool though. Hello? Oh my god.
Me too, bud.
Me too! Shut up! Ah! Where are we?
I don't know. I can't see.
Oh, no!
I don't want to go to school.
I'm not dying! Well, that was actually nice. Ah!